Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to fix the snipping tool not working. I've uploaded a previous video about this same issue, but I found out that the solutions I shared worked for some people and didn't work for others. So in this video, I'm going to show you a solution that should work for everyone. So let's get started. First, open Settings. Then go down at the left and click on Apps. From here, select Installed Apps and search for the snipping tool in the search bar. Once you find it, click on the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. After uninstalling it, close the settings window. Now, go to the search bar and open the Microsoft Store. At the top, search for Snipping Tool. When it appears, click on it and go down and click on Install to install it again. Once the download is complete, click Open. As you can see, the snipping tool opens normally and the problem is fixed. Even when I use the shortcut, which is Windows key plus Shift plus S, it opens and works perfectly. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel.